Namaste to all JVN students. I am Rajendra Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Faculty of Engineering and Methodology. Today we are discuss on the topic of Advanced Java, and the topic name is AWT. Introductions of AWT. Firstly, we introduce about the difference between core Java and advanced Java. Basically, a core Java is a base programming language for advanced Java. To develop a web application, we can also develop embedded programming, and we also develop desktop applications and console applications. Okay, first of all, we introduce about AWT. Basically, AWT contains a large number of classes and methods that allow you to create and manage graphical user interface. Basically, instead of AWT basically abstract window toolkit to develop a desktop application and is based on graphical user interface such as windows, button, scroll bar, and so on. The AWT was designed to provide a common set of tools for GUI design that could work on a variety of platforms. Okay, and the first slide of Java AWT, here we put some statement related to AWT. AWT basically API. API means applications programming interface that work between two sides. Client side, we can say that API works both sides, client side and maybe server side. And Java AWT components are platform dependent. These AWT component does not work any platform. Example for component of AWT like component, container, window, panel, frame, button, label, and so on. And each component have a predefined meaning, and that meaning are included in a package, and that package name is java.awt package. Package means package a container that hold the predefined meaning of any tools, any component for a particular Java technology. And here we also introduce about AWT package, and whenever we develop a AWT program, that firstly we import the java.awt package on the top of your Java program. Okay, here we define the tree of Java AWT, and Java AWT have a different type of component that to perform to build a AWT program. Yeah, we can say that AWT desktop applications, console applications. Okay, first is object. Object contain the component, and a component attributes of AWT have the different type of attributes like button, label, checkbox, choice, list, container, and so on. Okay, here we see a word container. Container means container is a component in AWT that contains another component like button. We also told you like button, text, field, table, and so container is a subclass of component class. Means container is a subclass of component class, and the parent class of container is component. Okay, container class keep track of components that are added to another component. Second is panel. Panel class is considered subclass of container. Okay, and we can say that panel is a subclass of container, and what is a parent class of panel is container. Panel does not contain title bar, menu bar, or border. It is a container that is used for holding component. And which type of component? Like button, label, checkbox, list, and so on. Third is frame. Frame is a subclass of window and have resizing canvas. It is a container that contains several different components like button, title bar, field, label. In Java, most of the AWT applications are created using frame window. Frame also has two different constructors. Okay. I already discussed about this PPT. The frame. Okay. Here we define some predefined method, and each method has some meaning to develop a desktop application and maybe a console application using AWT technology. First is method. First method is public void add. Add is a predefined method of AWT technology, and component is a class name, and C is a instance of component class. That means this method is used to insert a component on this component. Second is set size. Set size method is used to set the height and width of a object on your program, on your container, and you assign your choice, your user requirement. You assign width and height according to your console window. Third is set layout. Set layout is also predefined method of AWT technology, and set layout have a method, a class layout manager, that is used to define the layout manager for the component. And third is set visible method of AWT technology. Set visible have some values, and these values is type of boolean, yes and no, true and false. You want to set the visible window false, then you set boolean status equals to false, and mean change the visibility of the component, and by default the visibility of this console is false. Okay, here let's take an example of Java AWT example. To create simple AWT example, you need a frame. There are two type of creative frame in AWT. First way to how to create a frame in AWT by extending the frame class. Means frame is a predefined container, and that hold some predefined component. And second is creating the object of frame class. Okay, next is we introduce both ways how to develop a AWT program using extending frame class, and second is creating the object of frame class. Okay, let's see a simple example of AWT where we are inheriting frame class. Okay, first of all we import the package of AWT. Here import java.awt. Java.awt is a package name that holds the different type of component like container, frame, panel, button, text label, tools, and so on. Okay. Import what is a keyword that have a predefined meaning in a Java virtual machine. Okay, and we take a class, and class name is first, and this class extend the frame. Mean first is a class name and frame is also a class name. Then the property of class to class means whenever we extend one class to another class, then we extend the class. First extend frame first. Okay, here we take a button. Here we put a button. Here we take a attribute button, and button is a class name, and a class is a create a instance of this class button. B is instance of button class, and these button class have a label, and label name is click me. mean this statement draw a button and this button display a message click me. Okay, and each operation performed on this button by object of this class, and object name is b is the object of button class. Okay, each operations are performed on the basis of object. First of all, b dot set bound, and this method of button class is used to bound the coordinations of left to right, bottom to top. Second is, and this bound method add on the object. Add is a predefined method that is used to add this functionality on your container. Adding button into frame. And set size is a predefined method that is used to set the size of your frame, like size 30, width and height is 300. And say out null, set visible, true. Now frame will be visible. Suppose you have to put the value false, then the frame will be not visible. And last is, here we define a main method that call the constructor. First f is object of first class that call the first constructor at a runtime whenever a object of first class assign a memory. Okay, this is a simple output of this small program, and here a frame, and this frame contain a button, and button label name is click me. Okay, second example is AWT example by associations. Let's see a simple example of AWT where we are creating instance of frame classes. Here we are showing button component on the frame. The output of both way is same, but the functionality is different. Here we also import a package of AWT, like import java.awt.s6 semicolon. S6 semicolon means all the functionalities of packages are included. We take a class name first two is a class name, and here we create a constructor like same name of class first two, and here we take a object of container class frame, and create a object of frame f, and new is a keyword that is used to allocate a runtime memory for f object. Second is button b equals to same thing, and here we draw a button on your frame, and this button label name is click me, and same functionality, same method set bound. This method is bound the frame button bounds 30, 50, 80, 30. This is a height, top, bottom, left, right. F dot add, the object of frame class is used to add the button boundaries. Second is set size, height and width, set layout, null, f dot set visible, true, and the output of this simple program is as showing this. Okay, thank you.